So hey everyone, I recently purchased the feiyu-tech G5 gimbal, as you can see there. I got it and I was very disappointed. There's a lot of interference coming from the motors to the camera, and I needed to install this external microphone. But you install this external microphone and it blocks off the port and it has a problem with balance, so this is the solution I've come up with, and I think it's quite good. It's been working out well for me. So what I've done is I've got the external microphone for the GoPro and made a little aluminium bracket, which you can see there just out of some channel, and let me just move that out of the way, which I've drilled through and clamped it with the original screw from the feiyu-tech gimbal. I then put the camera in the holder the other way around so that I can get to the port on the side, and took the door off, and then I glued a little bit of plastic on the inside of here so that I can push this against here like this and still activate the mode button. As you can see, that still works. You just leave this bottom screw slightly loose, so you can just scroll through like this and still use the voice commands as well if you want. So GoPro turn off. So yeah, created the little bracket, screwed it all on, got it all working, and that's fine. Turned on the gimbal and it was all out of balance, didn't work. So then I figured out that I needed to add some extra weight over here. So what I come up with this is I glued some 2Ps. So these are just I think it's 5 2Ps, 1 2 3 4 5 2Ps, a 20p and a 5p seem to be about the right amount. So I glued them on the end, and that has given me the balance, and it works fine now, as it should do as a gimbal. So you do lose a little bit of motion, so you lose that because the weight's hit into the side. I never need to do that anyway. I'm always here, maybe a little bit like this, and then up and down, so you know that's not a problem for me at all. It's nice having the microphone up like that because you can have it pointed up omnidirectional. I could have it pointed to me, so it's a little bit louder when I'm talking to the camera, or I can point it a little bit away like that if I'm, you know, facing the camera from the other direction. And yeah, this is just seems to be a pretty good solution to that problem of the interference. I'm still getting a little bit, but nowhere near as much, and this seemed like a pretty good solution to be able to use the gimbal that I bought and still be able to get quite a good quality out of it. It was very easy to do, very cheap to do, because it's just a few 2Ps. Well, it cost yeah, 10p's worth of 10, 20, 25 pence worth of money on the side. And yeah, that's a ceramic microphone, by the way, but you can use any microphone. There's no reason to use that exact one. The GoPro mic adapter is a complete rip-off, but there's no solution, there's no way around it as far as I can tell. But yeah, it's worked very well. The little bit of plastic glued where the mode button is works great, so you can still get to here. And yeah, the bit of channel is just a bit of aluminium channel I found in the workshop over on the racks, and like I say, it's just basically a bit of channel with a hole drilled through it, and that's working just great. So I didn't really know how to structure this into a video, so I thought I'd just put it on this channel and maybe someone can get a bit of use out of it, because it's a pretty good idea, and I don't see anywhere else so far that anyone's come up with an idea like it. And I think that would probably work on other gimbals too, if you need to add weight, change the balance, but I can't really comment on that too much. Yeah, this is working great, so yeah, I hope that helped, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.